Today is the Haitian Independence Day. It's about 222 years, 220 years of independence. Me as a Haitian, I don't feel like we should Haitian should be celebrate the Haitian independence because for everything that's going on in Haiti. And if you black, I'm gonna just say it just straight. If you black, you may not be Haitian, you should be proud of the Haitian history because like with the Haitian influence, that's why so many countries are free from slavery. Yeah, they try, and there was a thing in Haiti. If you're a slave and then you set foot in Haiti, you are free. Uh, like the New Orleans that you know of today, it's because of Haiti. That's why the U.S. owned New Orleans because it was owned by the French and yeah so after Haiti beat the French and then because Haiti was uh the only the most profitable uh state for French. So so when Haiti break out from French, beat them up, man, it's like let's just make it some clear, right? The French had weapons. The slave didn't have any weapon. I mean, they have weapons, but it's just like machetes, stuff like that, and like how you call that, arrows, stuff like that. That's what they had. So imagine a heavy, like let's say the U.S. Army that we know today have a fight for a country that have no powerful weapon. That's how it was. So to say that, so when Haiti beat the French, so the French had no money coming in because the most money they were making from Haiti, from cane, sugar, stuff like that, cocoa, stuff like that. And so they had to sell New Orleans because they had no money. So the US bought it. So that's why we have, and then that's why like so many the culture you see in New Orleans, the house, the cemetery, the food is similar to Haitian. And if you are from New Orleans, you heard the Creole, I mean, all this thing, the Mardi Gras, all this thing, similar to the Haiti. So you may have some Haitian blood in you. Anyway, so Haiti tried, man, with the slavery thing. Haiti was like, nah, we don't want no more slavery. If you could set foot in Haiti, then you're free. That's how it was. And they help most almost every Spanish country in the Caribbean, the South America. They help them, Nicaragua, Peru. You know, like if those countries, if you go, you might see uh, Haitian how you call that monument there because Haiti helped them gain independence. I see why they didn't like Haiti, even though Haitian helped the U.S. The U.S. didn't recognize Haiti as a free country. So many countries didn't. You know, even Greece that we know today. Okay, Haiti was the first country to recognize Greece as a free country. And then when Greece was trying to get independence, that and then they asked Haitian, but at the time, the Haitian president was like, okay, we fought so many uh, wars, we don't have a lot of men to fight for you, but we have I think it's a coke. They sell them. They give them like cocoa, like to do to sell. Let me see. I got I knew it, but I forgot. Let me just go on Google. Okay, Google those. Okay, it's taking too long. Anyway, Haiti helped Greece that we know of today to gain independence. So they didn't send them. They didn't send them. They didn't send Haitian like to go fight, but they gave them. They say uh, the president sent Greece a massive shipment of 25 tons of Haitian coffee, one of the most sought after. You see, so that's 25 tons of Haitian coffee. That's how much it could be uh, say 200, but they don't say how much is might be of today's world as of right now. They didn't say that, but they send them like 25 tons of Haitian coffee could be worth a lot of money today. Anyway, so just to say that, so yeah, I'm happy like every country, even in DR, Dominican Republic, and Punta Cana, I see videos like you know, they celebrate Haitian independence, Haitian Flag Days. That's nice. Oh, I like that. Like but I just think like like Haitian that have Haitian blood in them, like you know what I mean. We shouldn't be celebrate the Haitian Flag Days because for everything is going on and Haiti. Like where they say they saw the flag called Akaye, like I mean, there's so many bad stories right now because we have bad people on top that only think about themselves. That's why Haiti is not prospering. I just don't like it. Me, I don't. This year I didn't celebrate. I'm like I stay home. It's not like I feel bad. I feel bad that I could enjoy it, and then the people back home cannot enjoy it. It's like it makes no sense to me. But anyway, happy Haitian Flag Day. You know, man. Just like I said, if you black, you should be proud of a Haitian history, cause yeah, they set the tones for slavery. You know what I mean? So, and then if you never try Haitian food, at least try the parties, the Haitian parties. It's like it's similar to Jamaican parties. It's like you know, man, just try it. Okay, you will love it. All right, that's what I could say. And enjoy.